Dear cute little children, happy Independence Day to everyone. Thank you for this honor for me today. I really enjoyed your performances, the dances and the singing and the speeches are very nice. And don't worry about the ones who stopped in the middle. I was one of those people who always could not speak on the stage in my school days, so don't worry, you will speak. Fine? Yeah, we are celebrating 80th Independence Day, right? It is 80 years. We are remembering a significant historical day, which is 15th August 1947, which is when India got independence from British. So you are hearing in your history most of this, right? Once British came here, they tried to do business and they started ruling and they started to see Indians as slaves. Then people did not accept that. Everybody revolted, everybody questioned, everybody fought for that. Asked them, no, you leave. This is our country and we will rule it. Right? And that with many people asking for freedom, fighting for freedom, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Right? And we are celebrating that day again and again to remember how we are able to do our own governments, our own administration and democracy, which happened from 1950 onwards, right? And congratulations to all the captains, house captains who got elected. Nice to see you. Take ripples also to next level with your guidance. Okay? And coming to the Independence Day celebration, because we are saying this is celebration, it is all remember two things from the fights that happened till 1947, right? So, one thing that everybody should take away is ask. Ask what you need, right? Everybody was asking, no, we want freedom, and people fought and got it. So asking is something you should remember. Whatever you need, you should ask. Asking is not wrong, and you should not be scared. You should ask. Okay, you remember all that? Number one, ask. Right, children? Yeah. And another one, Kashtapadali. Day and night. Everybody, how we got independence is not simply that people are asking and sitting at home. Everybody దాని కోసం వర్క్ చేశారు, రైట్? సో యూ షుడ్ వర్క్, ఓన్లీ దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్. సో కష్టపడటం ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ దట్ యూ షుడ్ రిమెంబర్. Remember, as part of Independence Day, one thing that you're taking away is working hard. Working hard for what you need is what will get you. Okay? Two things. And another thing, I always mention the freedom, Swecha. Something favorite is you should feel free from inside. Swecha in your thought, Swecha in your words, Swecha in your action. Like మనం ఆలోచించేప్పుడు కూడా ఆర్ మనము మాట్లాడేది కూడా మనం చేసే పనుల్లో కూడా స్వేచ్ఛగా చేయాలి. మీన్స్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ కండిషన్డ్, you're not going by somebody, you're doing with your will, with your freedom, right? It is something that everybody should learn. It is not easy to get there. I wish everybody will get free from inside. I wish everybody the freedom from inside. Yeah, that's one thing I want to iterate again and again. You should feel free from inside. Don't get conditioned by people around and system around. Only when you feel free, you will actually make everything else also free